December 20th, 2022. I went to check the air pressure on my rear tires of my tractor and realized that I didn't know how to do that since they are about 80% filled with liquid for ballast. Makes the tractor heavier and it gives it more traction. So when I went to check the air pressure, fluid came out. So I had to go to the Google machine, and what I was told by the Google machine is that you have to put the valve at the very top, which makes sense, but you also have to get the weight off of the wheels, because just having the weight of the tractor on the tires pushes the ballast up, and it can push it up past the valve stem. So usually, from what I understand, they fill these tires with either beet juice or some kind of a salt brine combination. So we're going to put a little bit of it in here. I'd say it doesn't really look like beet juice. Doesn't taste like beet juice. Very, very salty. Nasty. I hope it's not toxic. Okay, so now we're going to put this up to the top position. And theoretically, wow, that was a theory. Well, this thing must be really filled, because there's still liquid coming out. So I don't know what to do. I mean, I could check the pressure through the juice, I suppose. Ugh, that's nasty. Sorry. Let's try this side. Maybe the other side. Let me rotate that. Let's rotate this wheel. And put that one all the way up. Now if we can see it there. I'm blinded by the light. Set up like a deuce. Another runner in the night. Well, that's got liquid oh wait. There we go. So this one, there's air. So the air level has to be from about here up. The liquid is below that. So I can check the air pressure on that one, and then I'll have to figure out what to do with the other one. Over and out.